We will create a new activity in the app, and then we will navigate to that activity from the main page. Also, we will update the text dynamically on button click. We will create those pages inside the lib folder. So this is the default home page when you create a new Flutter project in Android Studio. The counter increases every time we click the floating action button. So now we will create a new activity. Right-click on lib, new, select Dart file. I will name it page 1. We will import material.dart in page 1. So in Flutter, we will have stateful and stateless widgets. If we use stateless widgets, the buttons, text, icon will remain constant and we cannot update them. So, we will use stateful widget for our page 1. So in page 1, class page 1 extends stateful widget. Now, we need to create a constructor and set a state to our page 1. Constant page 1, here we need to provide arguments. Super.key, and our other argument will be this .title. Now, I will create a string variable named title. Final string title. Now, we need to create a state for our page 1. So, class underscore myPage1 state extends state page 1. This myPage1 state will contain all our widgets. And now finally, we need to set the state to our page 1. So, override. State, page 1, create state, arrow syntax. Underscore myPage1 state. Now, our state needs to have a build method. So, we will implement that method. Widget build. So all our widgets will be inside this build, and they will be in a tree structure. I will be using scaffold here. A scaffold is a fundamental widget that provides a basic material design layout to the app. So, return scaffold. And first, I will set an app bar. App bar, app bar. So, we need to set some title to our app bar. So this can be done using title field. Title, we have a string variable named title. We will use that here. Title, text, widget.title. Now, we will set a body. Body, container. So before creating a button and a text widget, I will first navigate to page 1 from main. So we will create a new button, and whenever we click that button, we will navigate to page 1. First, we will set a child to our button. So I will set some text here, child, text, and the value will be open page 1. And now in onPressed, we need to open page 1. In order to navigate to a new activity, we will be using a navigator. So, navigator.push. So we need to provide context and root. Context, material page root. Now, we need to specify the destination here, which is page 1. So, context, arrow syntax, page 1. If you remember, we have specified title in the constructor of page 1. So title, and, I will set page 1 as value for title here. So as you can see, when we click on open page 1 will open. Now inside page 1, we will create an elevated button and then a text widget. So we will do it inside body. Child, stack. I will use stack for body. You can use other options as well. So I will align all the children widgets to center. Alignment, alignment.center. Children, I will be using position widget here. With positioned, we can position our child widgets inside the stack. So here, the child will be elevated button. We will also set an icon to the button. So, elevated button.icon. So whenever we click on this elevated button, we need to change text in the text widget. So for this purpose, we will create a method. Void change text. So whenever we are making changes to an object, we need to set them using setState. I will create a string variable, string text equals hello. Now inside setState, I will set text to text changed. Now for elevated button, on pressed _ change text. And label, text, click here. I will replace child with icon. Icon, I will set an icon to this button. Icon, icons dot, we have many icons here, I will use smart button. I will now set the position for this button. Top, I will set it to 120. And now for second position widget, I will set top to 180. And, I will set the child to a text widget. And the data here will be the string variable text, which we have created above. Or else, I will change the object name from text to display text. Also, I will set a font size to this text. So, style, text style, here, I will use font size, and set it to, let us say 22.